Hey, what's going on everybody? Paul Tech here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to share with you the dbrand teardown skin for the iPhone XR. Now, I know I'm a little late to the game on this one. These skins have been out for several months, but you know what? I just picked it up right now, and I'm sure there's going to be a lot more consumers picking up the XR, as well as interested in picking up the teardown dbrand skin as well. So, you know what? Better late than never. But as you can see, I got the white color XR, so it's not the most exciting color when it comes to the XR series of devices. So I figured, you know what, let me go ahead and get one of these dbrand teardown skins and give my XR a refresh after several months of owning this device. I've been using a case on it, but I've been really interested in picking up one of these skins. So this is the packaging the teardown skin does come in if you decide to pick it up. Now, if you're not familiar with this, this is basically a partnership with dbrand and Zach from Jerry Rig Everything, which Zach is pretty much known for his teardowns and also his transparent back mods, where it's actually like a clear glass to the back and you can see all the internals of the device, which actually looks pretty awesome. So this is very similar, but it's with a dbrand skin, and this is basically going to have that kind of same look, but you're not going to be voiding your warranty and you're not going to lose your IP certification as well with your iPhone XR. So as you can see, this is pretty much the materials that are included, and then you got the dbrand skin right there. So, you know, it seems pretty cool. Let's go ahead and remove the dbrand skin, and as you can see, you got some instructions to the right there: purchase, delivered, install, and then you can go on dbrand.com/how if you want to see how to install the teardown skin or any skin on your iPhone or any other device you might own. Now, one thing I want to say about this specific skin here is that the skin does look a little bland to me compared to the skins for the Android devices like the Samsungs, for instance. I mean, there's so much color and it just looks so much more vibrant compared to the iPhone XR skin. I mean, maybe this is how it looks internally for the iPhone XR, where there's not much colors, but I think it would have been cool if they made another type of skin for the iPhones where it does have something comparable to like the wallpaper I'm showing you here, where it has like some red, some blue. Certain elements are highlighted with specific colors that just make the skin kind of pop out, and you know, just would have been a little bit more exciting. But you know, it is what it is. It still looks pretty cool in my opinion. So you do got this dbrand microfiber cleaning cloth included with the purchase. And so first thing, I'm going to go ahead and share with you the installation here. So first thing what I want to do is wipe down my iPhone XR, and if you are going to apply this skin, make sure you do it in a lint-free, pet-free environment. You want to have, you know, some good lighting as well. All right, so once you got your XR all wiped down, nice and clean looking, go ahead and remove the teardown skin from the 3M paper. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it, and then at the same time, make sure you don't get anything on the back of the skin, no type of lint or particles, because then it'll show and it won't be a smooth surface to the back of your XR if anything does get on the back of that teardown skin. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the skin to the 3M paper. So in my experience, this is the easiest way to apply the skin to the back of any device, is go ahead and align the skin to the back of the rear facing camera as well as the LED flash, and then you can go ahead and remove the skin from the 3M paper and then apply the skin to the rest of the back of the device. But as you can see there, you know, just take your time at this process right here, making sure you got that correct alignment when it comes to the rear facing camera, the flash, make sure it's straight to that side of the back of your XR. So as you can see, you know, it's not very difficult. It just, you know, just take your time at this part here, and once you get it aligned correctly with the rear facing camera, the flash, it's straight going down, then go ahead and remove the skin from the 3M paper. And at this point here, you can go ahead and just apply the rest of the skin to the back of the XR, just like so. And then that's pretty much it. You know, it really is easy to install these type of skins to any device. And once you got it all aligned correctly, just go ahead and press firmly down on the back of the skin there, making sure you got a really good secure and aligned fit. Now, I don't have a hair dryer on dbrand's website. It does show that they use a hair dryer for the end step just to make sure that adhesive really sticks to the back of the device. I don't own a hair dryer, so I'm just going to apply pressure, and this adhesive seems to stick really well to the back of the 10R. So I don't think it's going to be much issue since I'm not going to apply any heat. As you can see, this is the end result. It looks really, really cool in my opinion. I absolutely love the way this Teardown Skin looks on the back of my 10R. Everything just looks great. It's aligned perfect. It's the perfect fit. It does not feel like this skin is going to come off whatsoever. These skins right here, they retail off of dbrand's website for $19.95. There's two options to choose from. You got the original and the ultra matte. Now, what's the difference between the two finishes? The original has an optically clear gloss finish that produces vibrant colors and flawless visibility with the design. Now, the ultra matte mutes the optical clarity and features a premium fingerprint resistant texture. Now, like I said, this looks so cool. I love the fact that you can basically see the internals of the iPhone XR. You see the battery there, the Taptic engine. It just looks really awesome in my opinion. Like I said earlier, I wish it did have a little bit, more colors to it. It would be a little bit more vibrant, pop, visually, but nevertheless, it still looks pretty awesome in my opinion. And I think, if you own a 10R, definitely pick up this skin. I think you'll really like it. I think it's a head turner. It looks different from what everybody else has on their iPhones. You don't see a lot of people with these skins, and these are somewhat of a limited edition skins with the partnership with Jerry Rig Everything. And when it comes to the grip with these Teardown skins, they actually provide some pretty good grip in the hand. So you can go ahead and use this without a case. Just go ahead and get a tempered glass screen protector and you're going to be good to go. Now, these skins are compatible with cases, so you can go ahead and use your favorite case with this Teardown skin as well. So overall, I love it. I love the way it looks. This is just so cool, so awesome, so different from what most people are using on their iPhone. So if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me, and please subscribe to the channel for more future videos. This is Paul Tech, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.